be on my YouTube channel, guys. There's a spare engine. Oh. Seems to be running all right. You're going to drive it in? It's up to you. Give it a bit of a rev. Listen to that mighty beast. Does it make you jealous of those Japanese cars you got?
At least it runs, huh?
At least it runs, that's right. It's got the dual throat carburetor, high performance. Well, it is the S, that's why it's got the better dash with the tacho in it. Well, it's actually not an S, it's got the S engine and the S dash, but it's a standard model. Yeah. Sounds alright actually. Kind of cool. What's that? Yeah, because it's probably been sitting a long time, you know.
It's quite hard to get it running.
Was it?
You didn't want to keep running.
Right. Well, probably the fuel tank's probably full of crap as well, right? Sounds alright. I always think it's odd that they have the fuel right into the engine, you know. Luckily they didn't put it over the manifold, but even so, like, you know. Oh, man. And it's the sort of car you want to fill it up at home before you even start it when it's cold, right? Oh, look at that. The Renault Whisperer. Nice. What are you doing, puss? Huh? Huh? Saying hello to Nandy, are you? You saying hello to Nandy? Is that what you're doing? Oh.